Hey everybody, welcome to My Mama Makes It Better. I am so excited for today's recipe because it's Penne Alla Vodka. You know when you go out, it's on every Italian-American restaurant menu, and some do it well and some don't. But Adriana is saying that her mama makes it better, so let's see. First we're gonna heat up olive oil and a little bit of butter in a pan. Once your olive oil and butter are nice and hot, let's add the prosciutto and one small onion. We're gonna get this nice crispy brown and delicious. While this is browning up, let's start that pasta water. All right, now we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna add the vodka, woo, and set it ablaze. Woo! Do I got my eyebrows? Wow, that was exciting. Okay, another thing I really love about this recipe is it calls for whole tomatoes. You're gonna wanna get a high quality tomato because you're really gonna taste it. Okay, so Adriana learned this recipe from her grandmother. She was in Italy, so we know it's authentic. So after you put those high quality tomatoes in, you're gonna smash them down with a fork. Everything is cooking together and the tomatoes are really just getting in there, getting blended with all that delicious fat and of course the vodka. Now we're gonna add our cream. Adriana says to lower the heat and put your cream in. This is decadent, delicious, and as the cream combines with that very, very dense tomato-y product that we made, it is just absolutely delicious. The pasta's all ready, so we're just gonna add it into the sauce and eat. All right, my favorite part, the taste test. I'm gonna give myself some of this delicious penne vodka that really didn't take any time at all to cook. I'm gonna get fancy. I'm gonna grate some delicious Parmigiano Reggiano on top. And then a little bit of parsley for color, red, white, and green, just like the Italian flag. I love it. Let me taste. Oh yeah, your mama does make it better.